Hello students, we have discussed in our last class about haloarenes and haloalkenes, and we have also discussed about the application of haloarenes and haloalkenes in our day-to-day life, and also discussed about classification on the basis of hybridization of carbon atom to which halogen atom attached. Today we are going to discuss about the classification on the basis of number of halogen atom present in halo derivatives. It can be classified into three parts. First is monohalo derivative, dihalo derivative and polyhalo derivative. As it is mentioned by the name that mono means one. It shows that a halo derivative which contains only one halogen atom in it is known as monohalo derivative. For example, CH3, Cl, CH3, CH2, Cl, CH3, CH, Cl, CH3, CH3, C, CH3, CH3, Cl. And one more compound is haloarene, which is Br. All this compound is monohalo derivative because only one halogen atom attached to the carbon atom in this compound. And this compound can also be classified into three categories, which is 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. 1 degree means in this compound this carbon atom is attached to this carbon atom which is directly attached to one carbon atom. So this carbon atom is 1 degree alkyl 1 degree carbon, and this is known as 1 degree alkyl halide. Now in this compound you can see that this carbon atom attached to this carbon atom, and this atom is directly attached to this 2 carbon atom. This is known as 2 degree carbon, and this compound is known as 2 degree alkyl halide. In this compound, here this carbon atom attached to directly 3 carbon atoms, and from this carbon atom chlorine atom directly attached. So this is 3 degree carbon atom, and this compound is known as 3 degree alkyl halide. Here bromine atom is directly attached to benzene ring. This is bromobenzene. This is bromobenzene. Move on the second type, which is dihalo derivative. Dihalo derivatives. From the name, it is clear that dihalo derivatives. Di means 2. It shows that if any halogen derivatives contains 2 halogen atom in compound, it is known as dihalo derivatives. If both the halogen atom are same, then this dihalo derivative are of 2 types, which is first geminal dihalide and second vicinal dihalide. Geminal dihalide. I am writing here first of all example of geminal dihalide and vicinal dihalides, which is CH2Cl, Cl, CH3, CH, Cl, Cl. Here CH3, CH, Cl, CH2, Cl, CH2 Cl CH2 Cl. You can see here from that if both the halogen atom is directly attached to same carbon atom, then this is known as geminal dihalide. Here these two chlorine atom attached to this one carbon atom, so this is geminal halide dichloride, and this is also geminal dichloride. Its name is methylidene dichloride. It is its common name. In the similar way, we can name here ethylidene dichloride. Vicinal dihalide. Vicinal means vicinity, nearest atoms. In this compound, if both the halogen atom is directly attached to adjacent carbon atom, then this is known as vicinal dihalide. In this case, this two chlorine atom is attached to two vicinal carbon atom. It is known as vicinal dihalide. Its name is propylene dichloride, and its common name is ethylene dichloride. This is the classification we have completed today. After having completed this classification, we move on to the next topic, which is nomenclature of halogen derivatives or halo compound. Students, you have studied IUPAC name and common name in 11th class in detail, but in every chapter you got this topic, and we will discuss it in short. IUPAC nomenclature is a very systematic approach to nomenclate the organic compound. We will start by taking some example, and we will reviewing the rules by solving the problem. Let us start now naming this compound. First of all, common name. You know that common name is always named first alkyl group will named followed by halides. So what is here alkyl group? Here is the alkyl group is this, and this is 1, 2, 3 propyl, and this is N-propyl because these don't have any branch structure. So its common name is propyl bromide. Its common name is propyl bromide. And what is its IUPAC name? You have to find first of all its longest carbon chain, and its longest carbon chain is 1, 2, 3, and numbering is given from here 1, 2, 3. Its name is bromopropane, because we know that IUPAC name is derived by the derivative of alkanes. Second compound is this. Its common name is here CH3 atom. CH3 substituent is directly related to second carbon atom, so it is isopropyl chloride, and its IUPAC name you find first of all the longest carbon chain, and which is 1, 2, 3. If numbering is done from here, it gets 2 number. If from here, then it also gets 2 numbers. So The numbering from both the sides are identical. So this compound name is 2-chloropropane. The third one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 carbon atom. So this is the derivative of this has butyl group. But at second carbon atom there is methyl substituent. So its name is isobutyl chloride. Its IUPAC name is, first of all, identify the longest parent chain and 1, 2, 3. Here longest parent chain is containing 3 carbon atom. So and numbering is given from here because the carbon atom to which chlorine atom attached gets first number, lowest number. So this compound is 2,1-chloro 2-methyl propane. According to IUPAC, halide atom always uses prefix, not suffix, because it is always treated as substituent group. Here, look at here, the common name of this compound is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means it is pentyl. But what type of pentyl it is? It is the neopentyl because at second carbon atom there is 2-methyl substituent present. So this is neopentyl chloride. What is its IUPAC name? Its IUPAC name is, you first of all identify the longest chain, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here 3 carbon chain present, 3 membered carbon chain present here. First we have to decide which parent chain we consider. We consider this parent chain because here chlorine atom gets 1 number. So we consider this carbon chain and its name is 1-chloro 2,2-dimethyl propane. Here you can see that it is the derivative of propane and it is pentyl chloride according to common name. Here I use chloro before methyl group because we listed alphabetically both the group, then C come first and M come afterward. So we write here 1-chloro 2,2-dimethyl propane. Move on the next compound which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 carbon atom is present. So common name is butyl obviously, but what type of butyl? This carbon atom is directly attached to 3 carbon atom. So this is tertiary butyl bromide. And IUPAC name is 1, 1, 2, 3. So here this is 2-bromo 2-methyl propane. Have we noted down this? Let me clear the board. Now move on to the sixth compound, which is CH2 double bond CH, Cl. When we have classified the compound, we mentioned this group. This group is vinyl group. Its common name is vinyl group. So this is, its common name is vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride. But IUPAC name, first, second. So this is chloroethene. Double bond is present at one position, so it is not necessary to write here, to mention here the position of double bond. In this case, we numbered the parent chain from here, because according to IUPAC, double bond gets lowest locate number. So we number from here. This compound name is 3-bromo 3-bromo-propene. Here double bond is present at one position, so it is not necessary to write the position, to mention the position of double bond, and its common name is, this group is allyl group. We have discussed earlier. So its common name is allyl bromide. Now move on to the next one. In this class, I have mentioned the name of this compound, common name of this compound, which is methylidene dichloride. It is geminal dihalide because both the chlorine atom is directly attached to one carbon atom, and its IUPAC name is 1,1-dichloromethane, because it is a methane derivative. So here its name is 1,1-dichloromethane, and it is not necessary to write here 1,1 position because both the halogen atom is attached at 1,1 position. Here, what is the name of this compound? This is ethylene dichloride. This is vicinal dichloride because both the halogen atom is directly attached to vicinal carbon atom, and its IUPAC name is 1,2-dichloroethane. Here the position of chlorine atom is mentioned because it is necessary. Both the chlorine atom is attached to different positions, so I have mentioned here the position of both the chlorine atom. Now move on to some difficult questions. This compound, in this compound it is clear by looking this compound that this is the complex compound. First of all, you write the compound in this manner: CH2, F2, C, Br, Cl, F. Now you identify its parent chain. Here only 2 carbon atom is present, so here parent chain is 2 carbon atoms chain. But from where you will give it number? So you see first of all the substituents. It's fluoro, bromo, chloro. First of all, you arrange all this substituent group alphabetically. We can see that bromo will first come, chloro second, and fluoro third. So that numbering is given to this parent chain from where the substituent group which come first in the alphabetical order. So bromine atom come first in the alphabetical order. So we will give first from here, first and second. Now nomenclate the compound. It's naming 1 bromo, 1 chloro, 1 2 2 trifluoro ethane. Bromo will come first in the alphabetical order. So I write here first bromo, then chloro, then trifluoro. And this is the ethane derivative, so ethane. It is mandatory to write all the substituent group alphabetically. Now move on the second example, which is here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 carbon atoms in the parent chain. But from where will you do the numbering? The numbering, again the rule is same. If the substituent group present more than one substituent group present in the compound, then you first list both the substituent group in alphabetical order, then give the lowest number to which substituent group which is alphabetically come first in the list. So numbering is given from here because this is bromo and this is chloro. 1, 2, 3, 4, and its name is 1 bromo, 4 chloro, but 2 ine. Here triple bond is present, so suffix is used ine. Now move on to the next question. This type of question always you do carefully, because here you find first work of you is identify the parent chain, and which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So definitely you will give wrong number because you think it is substituent group. So you write the compound in the simpler form. How? I am writing this compound here. If you don't write in the simpler form, definitely you will commit mistakes in finding the parent chain. This is F, this is CH2, CH3, then CH2, C, Cl, CH2, CH3, and CH3. Now you count the number of carbon atom to identify the parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is not possible. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this carbon atom is known as parent chain, because it has 7 carbon atoms. Now it is substituent group. It is also substituent group. It is and it is. Now numbering the parent chain: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we number from here and here, in both the cases, this is identical. So we can number from any side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now name the compound. This is methyl group and this is fluoro and fluoro. Sorry. The numbering is done from here because fluoro is come first in the alphabetical order. So fluoro. So the chain is given number from here. 4, 5, 6, 7. Now name the compound. Chloro, fluoro, methyl. Chloro come first, fluoro then methyl. And then write the name of compound. 3 fluoro, 5 fluoro, 3 5 dimethyl heptane. Here fluoro come first, then fluoro, then methyl. Di will not count in the alphabetical order because we have used it as suffix to show the number of methyl. Now move on to the next. Next compound is this. Here you can see that 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now question is that which chain is the parent chain? First of all, you can see that if I am taking this chain 1, 2, 3, then this bromine atom included in this parent chain. So I will take this chain is parent chain, then numbered. So preference is given to the double bond according to IUPAC. So we will give number from here 3 and its name is 3 bromo 2 methyl prop suffix ene because this is unsaturated compound. Bromo come first because this is the alphabetically come first and methyl group alphabetically come afterward. Move on to the next question. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In both the case there are 5 membered chain. But from where, and both the chain is identical. And from where we number this chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here double bond gets 2 number from here. So we will prefer the double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And naming of this compound is bromo come first, methyl come later. So that its name is 4 bromo 4 methyl pent 2 ene. Its name is 4 bromo 4 methyl pent 2 ene. Now naming of the aryl halides. According to IUPAC system, this is bromobenzene because this is mono derivative of benzene. This is dibenzene, but we give here number 1, 2, 3 and write 1, 3 dibromobenzene. Its name is 1, 3, 5 tribromobenzene. Its name is, first of all, you see the compound here, 1, 2, 3 carbon atom in this side chain, aliphatic side chain, and this is aromatic ring is attached to this carbon atom. So we will give preference to the aromatic ring because here is 6 carbon atom and here is 3 carbon atom. So we give preference to this chain. A numbering is done from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now name the compound. This is the complex group attached in this position, fourth position. So 1, 2, 3. Its name is 1-chloro 4. Fourth position contains a complex group, and always one number is given to this this carbon which is directly attached to main parent chain. So 1, 2, 3. 2-methyl propane. This is the derivative of propane, and we use, because it is substituent group, so we use propyl, YL word after the propane. Propyl 1-chloro 4 2-methyl propyl benzene. This is its IUPAC name. Move on to the next compound. Next compound is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 6-membered ring. If in this case, here this is 6-membered ring attached to this carbon atom, and this side chain have only 4 carbon atoms. So we take this 6-membered ring as parent chain. Here number is given from this side 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is the name of this compound? The name is 1-bromo. At 2 position it is complex group. So I write here 1, 2, 3, and its name is 1-methyl propyl. 1-methyl propyl benzene. This is the bromo, because bromo come first in the alphabetical order, so I write bromo first. Then I write this complex group. Why we use YL? Because this is a substituent group. Always use YL after the substituent group, naming of substituent group. Next question. Next question is that we see that this is the aliphatic chain and it has 3 carbon atom, and this ring has 6 carbon membered ring. So we give preference to the 6 carbon membered ring. Now naming is starting from here 1, 2, 3, and here one substituent group is present. So this carbon atom gets 1 number because it is, this substituent group is directly attached from this carbon atom to this carbon atom. So 1, 2, 3. First of all, we give the name of the substituent group so that it will be easier for us to attach the name. 1. This is at 3 position. Now 2 dimethyl propyl. This group name is methyl. This group name is methyl chloromethyl, because this is the derivative of methyl group. So its name is chloromethyl. Now numbers 3, 4, 5, 6. Now write the name of this compound, and this compound is 1 because chloro come first, methyl come later. Then 1 chloro methyl, 3 2 dimethyl propyl benzene. Why do we give this benzene ring preference as parent chain? Because chlorine atom is attached to this benzene ring. Now move on to the next question, which is, if this compound 1, 2, 3, 4 and chlorine atom attached to this aliphatic chain, and here is double bond, so we will give the preference to this open chain structure as the parent chain, and numbering is done from here because double bond give preference for the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the name of this compound? This compound's name is, this group is phenyl, this is chloro, this is methyl. Chloro come first, so 1 chloro, 3 dimethyl, 3 dimethyl, 1 phenyl, 1 2 3 4 butene. There is no need to mention the number of double bond. Thank you for watching this video.